Bunty has been a friend, and he came up with this idea of All-Star Football Club, and it was quite exciting because since childhood we've been playing football and cricket and stuff. But I pursued football. I played almost for the national side football, so I really enjoy the sport, and I always thought that it's a waste because in this country, because football is not something that has been taken off the way it should have been. It's a combination of sports and entertainment at the same time. So people have their favorite stars, and all of them playing the game. So they're enjoying a combination of both sports and cinema. Yusuf Pathan would be a great tough competition because he seems to be a fit and really tough guy. But I think Yuvi is going to be fun to watch. The first time I ever played football, I was 2 years old. I'm a complete Barcelona fan, so Barcelona Football Club is my favorite. Puyol, he's a tough defender. I mean, you can't get through him. So he's, I think, one of the Barca's best, and also the best there. We all know Baichung Bhutia, but I think there was this footballer in India. I told you, 1952 1962 was a golden Indian football. I think Mr. Banerjee, I've seen his clippings playing football. I think he was a good player. It's very interesting. I mean, the way we've been playing, I think this team, more than the game, it's all the spirit that we all have together as a combination, and that team spirit makes us win. I think there's lots that has been happening around. I mean, the corporates in the country are trying to make football a bigger game and a bigger league. I've researched so much on football, and I just want the sport to go another level, because there was a time when between 1952 and 1962, those 10 years were the golden era of Indian football. I just want to see that coming back. As I told you, we are not just celebrities. We are going to be the players to watch. Always, I've been seeing GS for the longest time. Bunty has been working hard for GS Entertainment, and I think he's doing a good job in whatever he does. I think the best part about him and GS is that they want to do quality stuff. They just don't want to do anything and everything.